Hey guys, I'm recording moments before disaster. The EAS alarm test is supposed to go off at 2:20. It's 2:17 right now. But before it goes off, I want to show you guys something. I'm way scared. Mama! Mama! I'm scared. I'm scared. I think I'm just gonna weed. Mama. I don't get why you're scared, Creeper. It's just an alarm. He's so scared. I'm gonna play games on my tablet.
Aren't you still in class?
And while they do that, we're going to wait for the stupid fucking alarm. It's gonna be hell. Ooh. Moments before top 10 moments before a disaster that was recorded live on camera. Anyway. You know, it's the first of the month, and my dreams me thugs for real. Wake up, wake up. I had to clear up so much space on my tablet for this. That's really good beauty. If you for the green thing, that was for sure. The lady on because the ball king arrow sounds so. Get away with the top that yeah, yo, keep your bankroll, yeah. We are in a celebration to stay high. In a minutes on the gun, I'm down for my kind. Okay, it's not that loud. What the hell? This is a test. Okay, good. Jesus. That was disappointing. That was the most disappointing thing I've ever experienced in my life. You went off earlier. Not sure how to feel about that. That wasn't even scary. Bro, there's no way, bro. What do you type? What do you... And yeah, it was weak. The dumbest shit I've ever heard in my entire fucking life, bro. I recorded this entire damn thing. I thought it was gonna be the apocalypse, and it was nothing. It was just a dumbass EAS. And they said it was gonna go on for 1 minute. 1 full minute. It was gonna be the loudest sound in history. That was like 5 seconds. That was like 5 fucking seconds. This was the backup test date of October 11th, 2023. You're kidding. Dumb as shit, bro. Fuck you. Piece of shit. What is so funny?
You're getting annoyed.
Because I'm disappointed. I thought it was gonna be something extreme, like it was gonna be the end of the world. But no, I was a weak ass little piece of shit fucking EAS test. Boo, boo, boo. Fuck you, bro. I'm not mad. It said it would go on televisions and radios too. Maybe that wasn't the actual thing. I don't know. Maybe they did it a little too early. Yeah, I kind of figured. But it wasn't even big.
This is me, and this was my stubborn body fat. My name is Adrian, and so
Come the fuck on, nigga. Fuck this shit, bro.
permanently removed my body fat in just one visit. Sono Bellows board-certified surgeons use micro laser technology to safely target and remove your diet-resistant fat cells permanently. My tummy is gone, my double chin is gone, and my hourglass shape is back. Don't wait. Call or go.
Imagine I turn on one of my phones and it just fucking happens.
We're gonna get right to the news.
Hilarious.
Made on Capitol Hill, the uncertainty over what is going to happen next. Kevin McCarthy is now the first Speaker of the House ever to be removed from leadership. 8 members of his own party went after him and ultimately took him down. McCarthy's own killiness following all that.
Disappointing, though.
Hey, Brayden, were you able to get into Desmos? Maybe I just don't see it in there.
Yes. Yes, I am. In fact. Let me see. Movie time. Oh, yeah. So, just fun.
Okay, did you click on start activity?